Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a proper oil drain that won't cause you grief on a lawn tractor. And today I'm doing this on a Cub Cadet with a Kohler engine. The oil drain is right here at the bottom. It's a very cumbersome place for it. And the old oil drain is all broken and there was oil leaking from it. And it was actually an oil drain plug like this one. They do tend to fall apart and sometimes leak. And when you did pull it open, the oil would all leak on this metal part here of the frame, unless you had a hose attached to the end of it, which was a bit cumbersome as well. So what I'm doing today, guys, is converting it to a drain like this. First of all, you screw this part here in the engine. It's Briggs part number 796532. Even though it's a Briggs part, it does fit on the Kohler engines. And this part here is the hose that hooks up to this part. It does have a cap here that you can shut. You can clip it up from where the oil drain is. I'll show you once it's installed. And it's part number 796530. And to install it, it's very simple. You just screw this part in the engine here. Now it does come with a bit of red Loctite, I believe, on the threads, but I did add a bit of this. Basically, it's a pipe sealant. It's the white stuff you see here. And make sure you start it by hand. Don't use your socket. You don't want to strip the threads right off the bat here. And screw it in as deep as you can with your fingers. And now you'll need an 11/16 wrench. Now it's a bit tight in here to tighten it up, but just go slow like I am. Now I don't have the torque specs for this adapter here, but just use common sense. Don't overdo it, but it does have to be snug. And I'll leave it at that. Now grab your hose. You do have a clip over here. Just leave it here for now. Install the hose on the connector. Now with your pliers, grab a hold of the clip here. Bring it right over here. And that's all there is to installing this drain plug. Now when you change your oil, all you have to do is undo this plug over here. And you can put the hose wherever you want. On this tractor here, you probably would want to put it over here or back here. You just want the hose to be right down like that. And you could have a container under here to grab the oil. And when you're done changing your oil, just put the hose back up in an upright position. And don't forget to put the cap back on. I have drained the oil out of this engine before replacing the oil drain plug, obviously. Now there is a clip here that you can kind of secure the hose somewhere on your engine. On this engine here, I can clip it under here, right in the shroud or the metal casing here. Or you can put it wherever you want. You can always use a zip tie and tie it to something here just to keep it in an upright position. But I think I'll leave it here for now. And on this Briggs & Stratton engine here, they do have a plastic thingy here to just clip it right in there. So that makes it handy as well on the Briggs & Stratton engines. Now the good thing about this oil drain hose and plug is that you won't have a mess everywhere like I did today. There was a lot more oil all over my cardboard. You can actually direct the oil. It's not going to go on this metal part here and leak everywhere underneath the tractor. So as you see, it's very easy to install. For under $30, you can do this yourself and not be aggravated when you change the oil in your lawn tractor. And here are the part numbers again. The hose connector is part number 796532. And the hose oil drain plug is part number 796530. It's going to be 100 times better than this type of oil drain plug. I hate these, by the way. And also under the video today, you can find links to where you can buy these two parts online. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have yourselves a great day.